Good evening. I'm back. Hey, what's up? This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Back from my little vacation up in Ocala, Florida, and I got to tell you, the Ocala Blue Spring, the springs up there. Where did I go? I think I ended up going to Silver Springs, Alexander Springs, which I did on the way back today, and also Juniper Springs, which all beautiful springs. Glad I got a chance to go up there, and actually what inspired me was some of the videos I did of the springs up in the central part of Florida when our local beach cams weren't that good and the local underwater cams aren't that good. But no less, I'm glad to be back in South Florida and take a look at this absolutely beautiful view right here. I think it's probably a little warm today in the 90s, but no less, ocean, just everything's lovely. Florida's a great place to live, and I think that's why we see a large amount of people moving here. Let's get into markets real quick. I've had a long drive, long day, and actually, like I said, I went to Alexander Springs today. Didn't get a chance to really walk around too much. The nature trails were closed, but I did get an opportunity to view their springs, and I think I'll go back there sometime. Anyways, my suggestion is I don't do it enough myself. My first vacation in 2 years since I think we went up to, where the heck was it, Tennessee or something like that, which I enjoyed immensely. Up in the, where was it? It wasn't the Smoky Mountains, it was, maybe been. Anyways, it's been a long day. My suggestion to everyone out there, especially you workaholics and you people that have the money to do so, even those that don't, take vacations. Go as many places as you can. You can always make money. You can always, you can't always, look, you can't always make money. I should have checked the meme first, but you can't always make memories, and that's absolutely correct. Dave's travel pages, I don't know who that is, but Dave, you spelled awake instead of you can't always make money. You said awake memories. But no less, I get the point here. Take as many vacations as you can, folks, because you never know when your time is up. And life is short. It's a big, beautiful world out there besides the places that you live. And I live in a beautiful place, and I'm sure you do as well. Hey, let's do a quick refresh here and see what happens to the markets. Man, when I looked this morning, I said, I'm going to wait, see what happens. It was above 1900. I didn't want to speak too soon. Silver was above that $23 mark, and platinum was, kind of doing fine. It looks like it was even higher, close to the $1,000 mark, but no less. Take a look at this. Big bounce yesterday and kind of a traction, a pullback today, but man, there's some strange forces going on right now. I didn't get a chance to really follow the news today to see what was going on. Again, I don't even watch the news, but looking at the data and the stock market and all that stuff, looked like the stock market got really whacked today really badly. No surprise to most people. And again, the Fed hiking rates was no surprise to most people. And perhaps what the price of gold and silver has done in the last 2 or 3 weeks, going down, going up, going down, is really no surprise to a lot of people as well once you look at everything in hindsight. Let's take a look at the high and the low here and see what we got going on. A low of 1876.93, whoa, and a high of 1878 today. Currently sitting at that 1878.60 level. Last night was looking much better. Silver, 2251 in the low and 2254 the high. So that's actually the market open right today. Hang on a second. Look and see what the close was today. Sorry, I should have looked at this chart. The high today was 1910. The low was 1873, which I believe we're sitting above that right now. And again, the world spot prices, look at that, 2233. Most of the monkey hammering did occur in the world spot prices, which was probably Globex, but no less. Things have steadied up. It looks like we're bouncing back up there, even though it is down lower from where it was earlier today. Let's take a look at where the monkey hammering occurred. Of course, where else does it ever? Why do we even talk about this stuff? It's the same shit every day. Occurs in the CME, Crimex groups, NYMEX markets, or the Globex markets, but there you go. A wham, bam, and thank you, whoever the frick you are. 1900 down to, look at that, 1870 with the price of gold. After yesterday's up day, too, and the evenings kind of went sideways. Again, like I said, in the New York Crimex markets got whammed. Monkey hammered pretty hard. Same thing with silver. Again, no surprise. Same place, but listen, folks, don't worry about it. The one thing you're not going to have to worry about is the bankruptcy of gold and silver. So you new folks out there, relax, just hang on. If you got the opportunity to buy the dips, buy the frickin' dips. If not, just hang on. Go on vacation. Go do what I did. Go fishing. Go surfing. Go ride your motorcycle. Whatever it is that makes you happy. And just forget about this bullshit right here, because it shall too pass soon. And look at these markets right here. For people that have heavily invested in the Dow Jones, SP, NASDAQ, I feel for them, man. Especially people that have pensions and stuff like that. I have a buddy that just rides this shit out. I don't know what his philosophy is, but he rides it way down. Even when he knows it's going down, he says, well, I might miss the opportunity of higher prices. I just don't get that philosophy. What is, especially as you get older, what is the philosophy of just buy and hold, even when you clearly see that you're in for a pretty rough ride? I don't get it. I don't get it. Especially after you've made good profits as well. Perhaps some of us gold and silver people are guilty of that as well. Let me get out of here. Doesn't look good in that market. Looks like the plunge protection team couldn't save the day today. They're letting it fly. But again, news-driven jawboning by the Fed, raising interest rates, ending QE. There's a result of that, just talking about it. And they've been talking about it for a long time. Are we surprised? And I want to say that in that Russell Crowe, are you not entertained? Are you not surprised? Let's take a look at the gold and silver prices right here. Broken record. If you're new to my videos, the reason I show you JM Bullion because they're the 800-pound gorilla out there, not because there's anything wrong with them. I think if I lived next door to JM Bullion, I'd probably quit the business and just go buy my gold and silver from them, but I don't, and I recommend that you buy local, and I'm a competitive local dealer myself, so of course I'm going to tell you, don't buy from JM, buy from me, or buy from your local dealer first. But no less, good company, and I do my best to beat their prices, and not too hard for me to do. My overhead is a lot lower than them, and I have the opportunity to buy in different places as well as they do, especially in these times. Stay away from Gold Eagle, stay away from Buffalo, stick with the gold bars. Again, this is just a broken record of what I've been telling you for quite some time. In silver, the same thing applies. Stay away from the sovereign products like Maple Leaf, Silver Eagles, Britannias, unless you can buy them close to the price of 100-ounce bars, 10-ounce bars, 1-ounce bars, and kilos. Again, which we advertise to beat. We will beat JM, SD, and APMEX Bullion on their prices on those particular products, which are the best deal. So if you don't live in South Florida and you can't come and see me and you can't buy from me, please, I recommend that you find yourself a good local dealer for many reasons. Number one, keep that money local because your local dealer spends it locally. JM Bullion does not spend their money in South Florida until they're here to vacation on their yachts. I'm just kidding. I don't know. But anyways, no. They spend their money wherever JM Bullion, wherever you send that money to, wherever that corporate money goes to, but it certainly doesn't go to your neighborhood. Highly unlikely. And let's take a look at ZH here. What's going out there? Not much. Same old nonsense. And you know what? I'm going to keep this video very light tonight. Going to just not even look at this stuff and go into yesterday's video, which I'd like to thank everyone. The nice big bounce up. And today we get the retraction, the nice big bounce down. So, no worries, folks. I can laugh about this because I'm not worried about it. I know it's going to continue to climb up. We're going to continue to see higher lows. And when we do see these low prices, we're going to continue to see higher lows and higher highs. And it's just going to happen that way. Unlike the equity markets, which I think is going to be the complete opposite, I think we're going to continue to see lower lows happening, and nothing good as far as that goes. But let's see. The Fed could reverse course and just end the raising of rates and QE, and everything is back to happy land again. Well, anyways, let's move into where are we? Yesterday's video, like I said, thanks for watching. Again, I'm going to keep this video short. I'll be back to my regular videos tomorrow morning. I had a long day, just drove back in, been out in the state parks all morning, did a little bit of looking around here, didn't get a chance to read all the comments here in videos, but I'd like to thank everybody who commented here. In fact, forgive me for not answering today the comment section. I'm going to just move right into the end of the video, which is think for yourself, question authority, and most of all, take some more vacations. Hey, thanks for watching. This is Brian Kuzmar with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Have yourself a great evening. Talk to you tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens in the overnight prices and tomorrow's prices. I have a feeling there's going to be carnage in the equities markets, but let's see how that kind of plays into gold and silver tomorrow. And again, don't worry about these down prices. This is just simply big commercial, collusive banks being evil, manipulative assholes, all right? They can only do it so long, and then it's going to bite them in the ass. Relax, have yourself a great evening, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.